Every year, storms grow stronger and cities grow denser. But when the sky opens, our concrete jungles have nowhere for the water to go. Floods sweep through streets, destroying homes and infrastructure. Sinkholes open beneath our feet, swallowing roads, cars, and lives. Climate change isn't a future problem anymore. It's shaping our cities today. But in the middle of this chaos, a quiet revolution is beginning: the sponge city, a design philosophy that could help us live with water, not against it. Welcome to Elemental Science Magazine. When rain falls in natural landscapes, most of it is absorbed by soil, filtered by plants, and slowly released into rivers. But in modern cities, glass, steel, and asphalt seal the ground, turning rain into runoff. Within minutes, millions of liters of water flow into overloaded drains. This is what causes flash flooding: fast, unpredictable, and devastating. Climate scientists warn that global rainfall patterns are changing. Warmer air holds more moisture, meaning heavier, more frequent downpours. Cities like New York, Mumbai, and Jakarta have all faced catastrophic flash floods in recent years. The cost? Billions in damages, thousands displaced, and a growing sense of helplessness. But flooding isn't just about water. It's about how cities are designed. While floods destroy what's above ground, another disaster lurks below. Sinkholes form when underground layers of rock dissolve in water. Over time, the ground above collapses, swallowing anything in its path. As urban drainage and heavy rainfall increase, so does the risk. Excess rainwater seeps into old pipes and foundations, eroding the soil beneath. The result? Streets vanish overnight, buildings tilt, lives are lost. In 2010, Guatemala City saw a sinkhole large enough to engulf a 3-story building. In Florida, entire homes have been pulled underground. These aren't isolated incidents, they're symptoms of the same problem: too much water in the wrong place with nowhere to go. What if our cities behaved like natural ecosystems, soaking up rain, storing it, and releasing it gently? That's the idea behind sponge cities, first developed in China. A sponge city replaces hard surfaces with green ones: permeable pavements that let water pass through, rain gardens that filter and store runoff, green roofs that absorb rainfall before it hits the streets, artificial wetlands that clean water naturally. Instead of fighting floods, sponge cities work with the water cycle. Since 2015, more than 30 Chinese cities have adopted the sponge model. The results? Less flooding, cleaner water, more green space, and an urban landscape that's not only functional, but beautiful. But this concept isn't limited to China. Cities like Copenhagen, Singapore, and Rotterdam are adopting sponge-inspired designs. They see water not as an enemy, but as a resource. The future of cities depends on how we adapt to water. Every raindrop carries both a challenge and a lesson. If we rebuild with nature in mind, we can transform cities into living systems that thrive amid climate change. But it takes political will, public investment, and awareness. The sponge city isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the blueprint for survival in a world reshaped by storms. The storm is coming, but with the right design, we can stay above water. Subscribe to Elemental Science Magazine.